你好, welcome to Basic Chinese Lesson 29. And in this lesson, we will continue learning new vocabularies. But today's lesson will be very easy. Don't worry, guys. But before we start, let's review first what we learned in last lesson. So we have 冻结,干燥,湿润,温暖,冷,温度,热,冰. So if you guys still couldn't get it, please watch lesson 28 video again. So in this slide we have 3 vocabularies to learn. We have 吃,吃, 喝,喝, 渴,渴. So let's read together, guys. 吃,吃, 喝,喝, 渴,渴. So 吃 is eat and it is a verb. 喝 is drink and it is also a verb. 渴 is thirsty. So if you notice 喝and 渴 is similar, right? The Chinese characters here, because both of them is correlative with water, drink, and thirsty. So let's move on to the next slide. We have 饿,饿, 大,大, 小, 小. Let's read together, guys. 饿,饿, 大,大, 小, 小. So 饿 is hungry, 大 is big, and 小 is small. So in the last slide we have learned eat, right? It was 吃, and here it is hungry, 饿. And 大 is big, but 小 is small. And if you notice the Chinese characters here, it's actually very simple. So please try to remember them. In the next slide, we have 2 more vocabularies to learn. We have 上,上, 下,下. So let's read together, guys. 上,上, 下,下. So 上 is above and 下 is below. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you guys can understand well what we learned today, because the Chinese characters is not that difficult. So thank you for watching. I will see you on our next lesson, guys.